Find the exact value of the following trigonometric function. We want to find the cotangent of 3 pi over 4. An angle that has a measure of 3 pi over 4 starts on the positive x-axis, it rotates, and it ends in quadrant number 2, and it has a reference angle of pi over 4, or 45 degrees. You could have converted this to degrees. In degrees, you would end up with 135 degrees, which is in fact 45 degrees away from 180. Since we are in the unit circle, our hypotenuse is 1, and with a 45, 45, 90 triangle, we know that our hypotenuse is equal to the leg times the square root of 2. Here, our hypotenuse is 1. And so we would divide both sides by the square root of 2. We get that the leg is equal to 1 divided by the square root of 2. And then we have to rationalize. So our leg is equal to the square root of 2 over 2. Now we know that both of our legs are the square root of 2 over 2. And we want to find cotangent. Cotangent is going to be x over y in the unit circle. We're just going to have to substitute in our x value and our y value, and we will find our cotangent. The cotangent of 3 pi over 4 is equal to the square root of 2 over 2. We could actually make it negative since it's in that negative direction, divided by the square root of 2 over 2. And that leaves us with the cotangent of 3 pi over 4 is negative 1. If you had not made this negative, you would then have to make it negative here, realizing that we're in quadrant number 2. And in quadrant number 2, the only thing that is positive is sine, and its reciprocal cosecant.